Hello my friends, welcome back in my channel, and I will talk about myself from September 2021. I hope so you will like this episode and you can find out what is popular on the market at these days. Have a nice time with watching this episode, and please, if you like, click on the like, and I will be happy if you subscribe to my channel. My best-selling agency for September is definitely Point 5, and Shutterstock is right after Point 5, and the next is Deposit Photo, Dreams Team, and Adobe. It's definitely no good months for me. It's worse than previous months. I am lower, like around $150 compared to August. But you know, it's part of business and you never know what will bring you the next month. Not really any major big sale in these months, couple video and Point 5, and what surprised me in Deposit Photo, one sale, video sale. It's probably my first video sale for last couple of years, and a couple good sale on Alami. I will post the picture and I will put the price over the picture, give you the idea, but definitely nothing special, and I hope so, like always, next month will be better. What make me happy, I already sold some new images what I talked about last month, you know, from street building, and this month I visit a boat show, and I hope so this will be selling very soon, but I'm not 100% sure about that because it's end of the season and boat is more popular probably on summer sale. I will see and I will update with you. Boat show is 4 days and I visit 2 days. I stop at boat show for 2 days, and first is press day, what is good because it's not really many people there, and the second one I just come the last day because I want to see how is everything going and I like to speak with the people on the show. But honestly, this year the show it's not really good like years before because it's less boats and less companies showing the boat on the show. It's definitely because the coronavirus, everybody it's more careful and not too many people it's traveling from state to state. I was thinking I will have couple of photo shoot with models in September, but you know, don't happens, always some changes. I hope so this will be more lucky for me in October, because I need update this portfolio. I need update my portfolio with I need update my portfolio with people's photography. But October I will definitely be busy with foliage and autumn changes. I will probably travel for a day or two around the East Coast in United States, and I would like to catch the changes, you know, the color changes. Fall is definitely beautiful month for colors, and I am photographing every year some new images, and I must say definitely it's sellers for me, even if I don't go too far, even if I just travel around my town or my state, because it's always popular. This road work video made me $5.59, and I'm pretty happy because it's on the market just 2 or 3 weeks. This means it's definitely I am happy with this sale, and I hope so I will see more sale from the road work. My other small video sale is for $7.27. It's American flag waving on the wind, and from same day I sold some other images with American flag. This means it's nice walk on the beach because you know, it's really easy money. This video of Osprey in Nest, it's definitely good seller for me. Not exactly this one, because I have more images from Osprey, because this Nest is no far away where I am living, and I go every year, and I stop always there when it's the birds there, and I try and make some picture and video. And I must say, really every year I sold these images from this Osprey nesting. This recycling bin with the shredded paper I shoot at home, and this cell made me $1.22. What is interesting, I shoot this with GoPro. I just try if it's possible to sell images from GoPro, and yes, it is possible. And this one made me this time $1.22. This steam train locomotive I shoot in Connecticut, in Essex, and it was sold for $2.94 at this time. This Mercedes-Benz, it's shoot on New York Auto Show, and it's sold on Dreamstime for $14.30. It's definitely very good sale for editorial images. It's definitely great sale on Dreamstime. I try shoot this lipstick with my new Sony camera, and I think I shoot it pretty well, because it's already sold for $3.30, and with Adobe stock, what make me pretty happy, because it's just really quick shot. I just want to test the camera. These lime images make me 25 cents with deposit photo, and I shoot it with my iPhone 7. Foliage picture is also sold on deposit photo for 25 cents. It's definitely not really the nicest color, but the image is selling every year a couple times, because I guess it's because it's really high angle view from the bridge, and this what make the images interesting for the buyers. These raw images bring me 50 cents with big stock photo, and I'm happy with 50 cents for this picture, because I shoot him just when I drive around, and I stop by, make quick shot, and I just continue in my ride. This means it's a really very fast opportunity, and I'm sure will be sold again and again. I hope so you like my selection from this month. I cannot even say it's really best sellers, because it's more selection, because it sold many images for small amount, but definitely it's nothing major except a couple of videos. This is, I really don't want to call this best sellers, but these images would make me money for month of September, and I am just sharing with you because I like you to see what is selling on the market. If you like this video, please click on the like. Sorry, I'm reminding you this again. And if you are not subscriber, just click on subscribe button, and you will see very soon my other video about stock photography, or about footage, or about everything together. Have a wonderful day, and see you in next episode.